Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Well, the season of transformation and, of course, alchemy is upon us, trying to get the sun out my eyes. In this season, what's happening is many of us are releasing things such as material, physical, and spiritual. It reminds me of let go and let God. When I let go and I let God, I see things that I've already used that serve me, or what I've served to others, and I begin to let go. I said what I've used to serve me and what I have done to serve others, right? And so the other thing is, you can look at, if you're having experiences where you're letting go of material things, you are cleaning out things, you're releasing paper documents, you're releasing information to people, you're releasing things, because transformation means that now I'm transforming that thing and I'm bringing in energy for new. I got to release old. We are releasing old relationships, professional situations, and friendships. I talked about it yesterday on YouTube. And also I've been writing on shift your mindset. Shift your mindset means that I only think on those things that are lovely and pure, according to what Paul has said. The lovely things, pure, and the things that are of a good report. Finally, brethren, in Philippians. Today I brought up be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Let this mind be in me that was also in Christ Jesus. And it's something that I was compelled to do. I get those type of moments or times when I'm compelled to just challenge myself. And so what I do is challenge you, because the mind is about psychological experiences. And if we don't let go of old experiences mentally, physically, and spiritually, we won't be able to get to the new experiences. A lot of people question why we're stuck. And we're not really stuck. We just haven't understood how to move to the next step or the next level. But I can't step forward if I didn't pass kindergarten. You know what I'm saying? I can't pass forward if I don't release what I've already done. What I've already done and what I've already mastered. My phone fell, so I'm gonna let you guys go. That means to get off, and be blessed. Have a great day. Comment in the